Good morning everyone. My name is O. Karthik. I am studying in 9th standard. Today topic is types of mixture. Mixture are types of two types: homogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. Mixture has non-uniform motion. Components: the particles are visible naked as eye. Mixture is a uniform motion. Components: particles are mixture are not visible by the naked eye. Thank you.